You feel invisible, like the world moved on without you, like everyone else got the memo, and you're standing there wondering what you missed. I know that feeling, and I'm telling you right now, don't give up yet. Before we go deeper, subscribe to this channel, because what I'm about to share will change how you see yourself. And most men will never hear this. Hit that button now. Let's talk about being forgotten, about being left behind, about watching everyone else win while you're stuck. It's not just painful, it's isolating. It makes you question everything, your worth, your decisions, your entire path. You see old friends succeeding, you see guys younger than you thriving, you see people with less talent getting more opportunities, and you're sitting there thinking, what about me? When is it my turn? Why am I still here? That question eats at you. It keeps you up at night. It makes you doubt every choice you've ever made. And here's the thing. Society doesn't help because we live in a world that celebrates instant success, that worships the young prodigy, that ignores the man who's still grinding in silence. You don't get a parade for trying. You don't get recognition for struggling. You don't get applause for showing up every day with nothing to show for it, so you feel forgotten, not just by others, but by life itself, like you were promised something that never came. Like you did everything right and still ended up wrong. And that's the most brutal part because you tried, you put in effort, you made sacrifices, you stayed disciplined when others partied, you worked when others slept, you bet on yourself when no one else did, and still nothing. No breakthrough, no recognition, no reward, just more waiting, more silence, more rejection. So let me tell you something you need to hear. Being forgotten is not a punishment. It's a filter. Let that sink in. It's not the universe telling you you're worthless. It's life separating those who will quit from those who won't. Because anyone can work hard when people are watching. Anyone can stay motivated when results are coming. Anyone can believe in themselves when others believe in them. But can you do it in the dark? Can you keep going when no one's cheering? Can you build when no one's watching? That's the real test. And most men fail it. Not because they're weak, but because they're working for external validation. They need the likes, they need the comments, they need people to notice. And when that doesn't come, they crumble. They think, what's the point? If no one sees it, does it even matter? And the answer is yes, it matters more. Because what you build in obscurity is what sustains you in visibility. The character you develop when forgotten is what carries you when you're remembered. The discipline you maintain when no one cares is what separates you when everyone's watching. So being left behind isn't the end. It's the beginning of something deeper. It's where boys become men, where excuses die, where ego gets stripped away, and where real strength is forged. Think about it. Every great man went through a forgotten phase, a phase where nobody knew his name, where nobody cared about his vision, where people doubted him, mocked him, ignored him. That phase isn't optional, it's necessary because it teaches you to validate yourself, to believe in your path even when it looks foolish, to trust your process even when results aren't visible. That's power, not the power others give you, but the power you give yourself. And once you have that, nothing can stop you. Now let's be honest about why you feel left behind. It's not just about success, it's about comparison. You're measuring your chapter 3 against someone else's chapter 20. You're comparing your behind the scenes to their highlight reel. You're judging your worth based on their timeline, and that's a losing game because you don't know their story. You don't know what they sacrificed. You don't know what they went through to get there. You don't know what demons they're fighting behind closed doors. You just see the surface, the wins, the smiles, the success, and you think, why not me? But here's what you're missing. Their path is not your path. Their timeline is not your timeline. Their definition of success might not even align with yours. So stop using them as a measuring stick. Start measuring yourself against who you were yesterday. That's the only comparison that matters. Are you better than you were last month? Are you stronger than you were last year? Are you closer to your goals than you were when you started? If yes, you're winning, even if no one knows it yet, even if you're still broke, even if you're still alone, Even if you're still struggling, you're winning because progress is not always visible. Growth doesn't always show up in your bank account. Transformation doesn't always announce itself. Sometimes it's happening quietly in your mindset, in your habits, in your character. And one day it'll show. One day people will notice. One day you'll look back and realize how far you've come. But that day isn't today. Today is the grind. Today is the doubt. Today is the loneliness. And you have to be okay with that. You have to embrace it. Because this is where champions are made, not in the spotlight, but in the shadows. Let's talk about what being forgotten teaches you. It teaches you self-reliance. When no one's there to motivate you, you learn to motivate yourself. When no one's there to push you, you learn to push yourself. When no one's there to believe in you, you learn to believe in yourself. That's invaluable because external motivation is temporary. It fades, it disappoints, it abandons you when you need it most. But internal drive, that's permanent. That's unshakable. That's what carries you through the storms. Being forgotten also teaches you patience, real patience, not the kind where you're waiting passively, but the kind where you're working actively without seeing results, where you're planting seeds knowing the harvest is years away, where you're building a foundation that no one will see until the house is built. That kind of patience is rare. Most people want instant gratification. They want results now. They want recognition immediately. And when they don't get it, they quit. They move on to the next thing, the next trend, the next opportunity. But you're different. You're willing to wait. You're willing to work in silence. You're willing to be forgotten temporarily for permanent success. That's maturity. That's wisdom. That's the mark of a man who knows his worth isn't tied to others' opinions. Now let's address the pain because being left behind hurts. It's not something you can just think your way out of. It's real. It's heavy. It's suffocating at times. You see your peers advancing, getting promotions, starting families, buying houses, living the life you thought you'd be living by now. And you're still here, still grinding, still hoping, still believing it'll happen for you. But the doubt creeps in. What if it doesn't? What if I'm wrong? What if I wasted my time? Those thoughts are normal. They're human, but they're also lies because your time isn't wasted if you're learning. Your effort isn't wasted if you're growing. Your struggle isn't wasted if it's building character. Nothing is wasted. Not the failures, not the rejections, not the setbacks. It's all data. It's all preparation. It's all part of your story. And one day you'll need that story. You'll need the perspective that comes from struggle. You'll need the empathy that comes from pain. You'll need the strength that comes from being counted out. So don't rush it. Don't skip the process. Don't wish away this season. As hard as it is, it's necessary. It's making you into who you need to be. Let's shift to what you should do right now, not tomorrow, not when things get better, right now. First, redefine success. Stop letting society tell you what winning looks like. Stop letting social media dictate your timeline. Stop letting your family's expectations define your path. Get clear on what you actually want, not what you think you should want, not what looks impressive, but what genuinely fulfills you. Maybe it's not a big house. Maybe it's freedom. Maybe it's not a fancy job. Maybe it's purpose. Maybe it's not fame. Maybe it's peace. Whatever it is, own it and stop apologizing for it, because your definition of success is the only one that matters. Second, protect your energy. Being forgotten means you're probably alone a lot. And that's actually a gift because you get to choose what you consume, what you watch, what you read, who you listen to. Stop filling your mind with garbage. Stop scrolling through highlight reels. Stop consuming content that makes you feel worse. Start being intentional. Read books that challenge you. Listen to podcasts that educate you. Watch videos that inspire action. Surround yourself, even digitally, with people who are building, who are growing, who are focusing on themselves. That energy is contagious, and it'll keep you going when motivation runs dry. Third, document your journey. Not for others, for yourself. Write down what you're learning, what you're struggling with, what you're overcoming. Because when you're in the thick of it, you can't see progress. But when you look back 6 months from now, you'll see how much you've changed, how much you've grown, how much stronger you've become. That perspective is powerful. It reminds you that you're not stuck. You're just in process. Fourth, find one person who gets it. You don't need a crowd. You don't need a community. You need one person who understands the struggle, who's walking a similar path, who won't judge you for being behind. That connection matters. because isolation breeds despair, and shared struggle breeds hope. So reach out, connect, be vulnerable. You'd be surprised how many men are feeling exactly what you're feeling. They're just too proud to say it. Be the one who breaks the silence. Now let's talk about the comeback, because being forgotten now doesn't mean you stay forgotten. It means when you do show up different. You show up seasoned, you show up tested, you show up unshakable. People who skip the struggle don't have that. They succeed early and crack under pressure later. They win fast and lose faster because they never built the foundation. They never developed the resilience. They never learned to stand alone. But you're building all of that right now. Every day you show up despite the silence. Every day you work despite the doubt. Every day you push despite the pain. You're building something they'll never have. Authentic strength, real confidence, unshakable belief. And when your time comes, and it will, you'll be ready. Not just for success, but to sustain it, to handle it, to not lose yourself in it. That's the difference. That's what being forgotten gives you. So stop seeing it as a curse. Start seeing it as preparation. You're being refined, molded, strengthened for something bigger than you can see right now. And the fact that you're still here, still fighting, still believing, that's proof you're built different. Most people would have quit by now. Most people would have given up. Most people would have settled, but not you. You're still in the arena, still swinging, still moving forward. That's not weakness. That's warrior spirit. So here's what I need you to understand. Being left behind is temporary. Giving up is permanent. The pain you feel right now will pass. The lessons you learn will last forever. The character you build will carry you for life, but only if you don't quit. Only if you keep going. Only if you refuse to let this season define you. You are not forgotten by the universe. You're being prepared by it. You are not left behind by life. You're being positioned by it. You are not worthless because no one sees you. You're priceless because you see yourself. And that's enough. That has to be enough. Because if you can't validate yourself, no amount of external validation will ever fill that void. But if you can believe in yourself when no one else does, nothing can stop you. So keep going. Keep building, keep believing. Your time is coming, not because you deserve it, but because you're preparing for it. And when it arrives, you'll be ready. Subscribe to this channel if this spoke to you, because we're building men who don't quit, men who validate themselves, men who win in silence and let success make the noise. Hit that subscribe button and become the man who never gave up, even when the world forgot him.